Hey guys, so I'm back. So this is technically a part 3 to branches that I have in my subway system. This is like a part 3 technically, but you're gonna see me make a new line. Wait, hang on. Okay, I'm back. Okay. So we're gonna make the J line. It's gonna start at Avenue Z. It's gonna have a transfer to Avenue Z with the A, C, and F. Okay. Off to a great start. Right now. Gonna make it go to one here is Avenue. It's gonna cross Shore Parkway onto Dunny Place, then Harrington Street, then Elmont Boulevard, and then that's gonna be the terminus, and then we're gonna do the upper side, Avenue Y, Nostrand Avenue, 28th Street, 26th Street, 24th Street, 22nd Street, Ocean Avenue, 18th Street, 15th Street, and now we're at Avenue 1, where it makes a free transfer to the H2 Rockaways, and H2 Brooklyn. Then it's gonna go on 12th Street, Coney Island Avenue, 7th Street, Ocean Parkway, 3rd Street, 1st Street, West 1st Street, West Street. Then it's gonna make another. Then it's gonna terminate there. But I don't think it's good enough. So we're gonna go up. So, oops. Okay, West 2nd Street, Avenue X, McDonald's Avenue, Van Sicklen Street, 6th Street, Avenue V, 8th Street, Avenue U, 10th Street, free transfer to 10th Street for the K, 12th Street, and then it's gonna move with the Z, Avenue T, Avenue S, 24th Avenue, Twenty-third Avenue, 80th Street, Bay Parkway, 76th Street, 74th Street, 72nd Street, Bay Ridge Avenue, and then Bay Parkway, where it's not gonna stop at, because it's not gonna stop there and just move along at Bay Parkway. And then we head to 60th Street, where it's gonna get on its own line and skips and moves on to Bay Parkway again. But before it's on, now it's moving on to Avenue J, East 4th Street, Ocean Parkway, no, 7th Street, Avenue I, Avenue H, Forest Avenue, a transfer to the new G extension that's gonna happen sometime soon. Sanford Road, Allengy Road, Marlborough Road, 17th Street, 19th Street, Cortland Road, Beverly Road, Almarble Road, Tennis Court, Church Avenue, Compton Avenue, Woodruff Avenue, and then the next stop is Parkside, and the last stop is Parkside Avenue. Wow. Okay. Well, that was good than I expected it to be. So, back to what I was saying. I'm gonna talk about this line now. Well, no. What am I saying? What was I gonna talk about? Oh, yes. Let's talk about this short line, orange and yellow. So, this line where the N is express and the F is local, this is called the Stillwell. This is called the Stillwell Avenue line. Moreover, people call it the Bay Parkway line, but I rarely like the Coins Knot Boulevard line, due to it demo stopping at Coins Knot Avenue, also known as 19th Avenue in real life, and terminating, well, the F stops there and moves on. Wait. Okay, sorry. I had to look at one of my videos. So, the F keeps going on Belt Parkway Boulevard, and the N terminates at Nipderm Avenue. I hope you like this video, and I hope I see you next time.